Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to talk about 5 best features of the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Now the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max is priced competitively at 18,999. Even the Redmi Note 10 Pro is priced 15,999. So it's a really good pricing out there. Now what are the features this device offers that we already know, because it comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G octa-core processor, 5020 mAh capacity battery, 33-watt charger, Android 11, and you get MIUI 12. And you get a quad camera setup. Now the highlighting 5 aspects about the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, that's what we are going to talk about in this video. So before getting started, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So let's have a look at the best 5 features of the new Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So first and foremost feature has to be the display. Now the first time we are seeing an AMOLED display at this price segment from Xiaomi under the Redmi Note series. So Redmi Note 10 Pro Max comes with a Super AMOLED display, and this has 120Hz refresh rate. Now if you go to settings, you can see that display settings, you can see that the refresh rate can be selected as 120Hz or 60Hz, the standard 60Hz. So these are the 2 options available, and apart from that you also get additional options like option to change the color scheme. So you can see here auto color scheme, saturated, standard, and you can also set the color temperature. Now these are some things which are really good on the display. Now the brightness levels is something which is really exceptional. 1200 nits of peak brightness available on the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. That makes it even better than some of the flagship devices or even the premium devices like OnePlus Nord, where the maximum brightness was around 1100 nits. So here we get 1200 nits of max brightness. Then you get HDR10 enabled display, and then this is having 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. So it is really superb display on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, and this is also supported by Gorilla Glass 5 on the display. So display is definitely one of the best aspects. You can see that it's a really vibrant, colorful and crisp display on the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So next important feature of the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max has to be the camera. So it comes with a 108 megapixel sensor here. It's a Samsung's HM2 sensor, and you get an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, macro sensor, and the depth sensor. So the 108 megapixel sensor is the first time we are seeing this on a budget, or rather the smartphone below the 20,000 price segment. So that's one of the highlighting aspects. So here are some camera samples from the 108 megapixel sensor. It has come really good. We have also done the detailed camera review of the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max with the 108 megapixel camera, and it has come really good. That's one of the highlighting aspect of the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, and this is the first time we are seeing this sensor used at the 20,000 below price segment in India. Now third feature has to be the macro sensor. Now if you open the camera, you can see that there is a macro sensor here. You can see a super macro. Now this 5 megapixel super macro sensor has one advantage. This is a 2x telephoto sensor. So by default it takes macros in 2x zoom, so it can get you really impressive macros. So here are some macros taken with this camera, and it has come really brilliant. And in fact we can see that even premium flagship devices around the 50k price segment, even the OnePlus 80 doesn't have this kind of macro abilities. So it's one of the stellar macro cameras out there, and if you are a person who loves taking macro photography, this also comes with a 1080p resolution macro video, exceptional macro video it can take with this 5 megapixel sensor. So macro is one of the highlighting aspect of the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Now third important aspect is that it comes with LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 2.2 storage support. Now most of the smartphones in the sub 20k price segment are UFS 2.1. Now the UFS 2.2 is a recently announced one, and this is having much better speed than the UFS 2.1. So this device comes with UFS 2.2 support, so you get better read-write speed on this device. Now another important aspect is the dual stereo speakers. So it has speakers at the bottom and the top, and this is a dual stereo speaker. So if you are a person who loves listening to songs, you get high-res audio support as well as dual stereo speakers. One of the really good aspects about this device. So if you are a person who watches a lot of movies, you get really great sound output as well. Another thing about the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max has to be the design. While this is not a really highlighting feature, the design also has to be taken into consideration because it's now a lot slimmer and lighter in weight compared to the previous Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. So here we have a frosted glass design, and this color, especially the vintage bronze, definitely looks great, and this is one of the highlighting aspect about this camera. And the camera layout is also really nice, and this gives a refreshing feel altogether. So overall we feel this is one of the really good looking smartphones out there. So these are some of the highlighting aspect of the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Now apart from that, you also get the Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G octa-core processor. Up to 8 gigs of RAM is available. You get 6 gigs of RAM and 8 gigs of RAM. You also get 128 gigabyte storage included, and 5020 mAh capacity battery, and 33 watt fast charge along with Android 11. So those were some of the best features of the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So the pricing starts at 18,999, and you can buy it from me.com or online stores, or it will be available even in offline market pretty soon. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.